Right now on Do-It-Yourself Gourmet, we're making sauteed spinach, also known as wilted spinach, and this is baby and organic, of course, because it's nice and soft. If you want something a little bit crunchier or a little bit more to the bite, get the regular spinach, of course, full grown. Now we're going to start with a nice preheated pan, as we always do. From there, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil, about a tablespoon and a half, and then we're going to add a tablespoon of butter. And then mixing together that with the salt, the olive oil, the butter, and the salt, and that's salted butter as well. You get that nice and hot, turn it into a little bit of a brown butter as you begin. And then when that's nice and melted in, spun around in the pan and coated on the pan, you toss in that baby spinach. Now this is going to cook quick. Now I'm talking 90 seconds quick. You got to turn it off after 90 seconds and let the residual carryover cooking do the heavy lifting. Because if you keep that heat going, once the spinach has already reached more than 50% sauteed, then it's going to turn into mush and it will not taste good. Also, after you turn off the heat, you can add garlic, powdered garlic, anything else you might like, white pepper, but you're going to do it afterwards. Because if you do it before, there's a chance that it might be bitter. And you want to use those extra liquids that are in there to also soak it up to a nice finished final product that still holds its texture, still holds its firmness, and is beautiful to look at. Do-It-Yourself Gourmet, folks. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, consider joining if you're awesome. Thank you again.